Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Map settings. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump into Google Maps, right? So from Google Maps, on the top right hand side, you'll see the search bar and then the microphone and then your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture, and what you'll actually see over here is your settings right at the bottom, right? So these are actually the settings for the map itself. So here, your app and display, this is your theme, so you can change dark mode, your unit of measurement, voice search, your scale on the map, and your default apps, and then also auto playing your video previews. Then you have navigation settings. Navigation settings are quite nice because then your sound and voice could be muted or unmuted. Your guidance volume can be changed. You can play it over Bluetooth phone call, music playback controls. There's some alert options and then some route options as well, depending on where you're traveling. And then your map display, either automatic, day, night. And then you can see, you can show speed limits, speedometers, and then some parking options, and then directions while navigating. And then there are also walking options, which you'll use with live view. After navigation, you can change your vehicle details over here, so your engine type as well as your driver avatar. Then your location settings. So is your location on? If it's on, it is a good idea because you need this on maps. And your timeline. So there's a bunch of information that you can actually change over here, including downloading all of your map data. Also, offline maps. Now, if you're going to be traveling in an area where there is no connection or there's bad signal, you can actually just turn the auto update offline maps on, and then auto download recommended maps, also leave that on. And this will essentially just download the map as you are creating your route. So if you are traveling the route and you're going into an area with bad reception, it'll actually be available for you to still use. Here you can change all of your notifications options over here. So what you get notified for, and then just their terms and conditions, and you've gone through all of the settings on Google Maps.